Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix if sleep option is disappeared in Windows 11 operating system. So I am currently on a Windows 11 system, and if I open the start menu and click on the power icon there, you can see that under power options, sleep option is missing. I have lock, shutdown, restart, but there is no sleep option, and this is the problem which we will fix in this video guide. We have got different solutions for you to fix this problem, starting with solution number 1. In this case, you have to open control panel using search. Once control panel opens, you have to go to power options. Next, in the power options window, in the very left pane, you will find a link called choose what the power button does. Just click on that. Next, you have to click on change settings that are currently unavailable. You need to make sure that you are administrator of your system in order to proceed from here. Next, under shutdown settings, you will find that sleep option is not checked. All you need to do is just check that option and click save changes, and instantaneously sleep option will be restored in the power options. And you can also check that by going to start menu and click on the power icon, and you can see that here sleep option has been restored and the problem is resolved with this fix. In case if this doesn't help you, you can try our solution number 2. In this solution, we will open command prompt as administrator. Use the search on Windows 11 to locate command prompt and then select run as administrator. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. In the command prompt window, paste this command from video description and press the enter key. This command will restore the default power schemes on your Windows 11 and hopefully will restore the missing or disappeared sleep option on Windows 11. Next, we have solution number 3. In this case, we will again open command prompt as administrator. And once command prompt window is open, paste this command from the video description and press the enter key. This command will launch Power Troubleshooter, and once the Power Troubleshooter is launched, you have to click on the next button there, and it will automatically detect the power related issues on your system and fix them. On my system there were no issues found, but since you are facing this problem, the troubleshooter on your system may fix this problem for you. If the issue still persists, you can try solution number 4. So simply right click on the start button and select device manager. In the device manager window, expand display adapters. Right click on your primary display adapter and select update driver. In case if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, you can search for updated drivers on Windows Update and install the latest updates available to you. Additionally, you can click on advanced options there and select optional updates. Under optional updates, see if there are any updates available for your display driver. In case if some updates are available, I recommend to immediately install them to fix this problem. Lastly, we have solution number 5. Simply right click on the start button and select run. In run window, type gpedit.msc and click OK. In local group policy editor window, go to computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows components, file explorer. Inside file explorer, you will find policy setting named show sleep in the power options menu. Just double click on this policy setting, and if it is not configured by default and still you are facing the issue, you can set it to enabled instead and click apply followed by OK. Just make sure that it is not set to disabled in any case. And once this is done, you can close the group policy editor and restart the system. After restarting the system, you will find that sleep option has been restored under power options. In case if issue still persists, do let me know via your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.